We'll craft a stunning, high-converting website together, step by step, using the powerful tools of Webflow. Our journey begins by initiating a new project within Webflow, your digital canvas for creation. We'll start by constructing the foundational structure of your site, focusing on engaging sections, beginning with a compelling hero section to capture immediate attention. User experience is paramount. We will prioritize clean layouts, intuitive navigation, and visually appealing elements, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices. To truly captivate your audience, we'll implement subtle microinteractions, such as elegant hover effects and engaging animations. A beautiful site needs to be discoverable. We'll integrate essential on-page SEO, best practices directly within Webflow to maximize your organic reach. Finally, we'll perfect every detail, ensuring your website not only looks exceptional, but also effectively converts visitors into loyal customers or leads, establishing a powerful online presence.